Hagajingalang jangka genhun menteri kebelalong haka kan rew trek uleber arhajar arpun rew. Lashe megarai ban Pynjlan ke Samoi Treikam jangka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council sahendro Bnai. Kata nado kakat pratrek uyayong, hado kakat pratrek urisau arhajar arpun rew. Haba penting begania usembut menteri rangba akajela bedi kemi ikatanat District Council Affairs ubah Presiden Tensong. Uli itu bagi genhun menteri kala menjer ban Pynjlan ya ka Samoi Treikam jangka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Bakani kejeng Pynjlan kan Treikam kat kum kini tarik di balabu. Ubah Presiden Tensong ulah kedau, bagi thong kalong ban aila dek Executive Committee ke batamai ban penbet ikikam ke basa ateng ke bedai bat ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Ubah Presiden Tensong ulah penting bro ba kejeng sensyar haga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kala keladur hadian bu Albinush Armarak lahir Shukino kumu Chief Executive Member. Bat kedorbar kala jiat ya u Dormonat CH Sangma benlong u Chief Executive Member batamai. Ubah Presiden Tensong ule tu bagi Sorkar kala syemeng dengan senjam nomor kejinglong jingman haka bedai bagi jing syakta ke syong sok syong san bat kumjur u kejing dawa kipat ba karilom garu. Daga bakadau bagadan kejing persyak ke bajur halor kejing wanishim benta ki bamde giri ulum haki election syaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Kini kindro benai kilong ban ailat ke Executive Committee ke batamai bat ke Sorkar jela bani selok baban le ke badan kam halor kejing penkela ya ki kendon ke bedai bat kejing kuah opat ba.
Extension of term of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. After deliberation, after discussion, all the details, then the cabinet has decided to extend the terms of the present house of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council for a period of 6 months with effect from 18 April 2026 up to 18 October 2026. This is the decision taken by the cabinet today. Because see, the new EC, the new executive committee and the new CM has to take the responsibility side by side. Even the government will also take the responsibility of calling, inviting for discussion across the table in the level of the government under the chairmanship of the Honorable Chief Minister and as well as in the level of the CEM of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, because we would like to ultimately carry along everybody and to meet the aspirations of our people. Again, today in the morning, the CM of the District Council, Shri Albinush Armarak, has resigned from the post of CM, and I'm also happy to inform to all of you that again in the afternoon of today, again the House has elected new CM by the name of Shri Dhormanat CH Sangma. So the new EC is now in place again, and with the decision taken by the cabinet today to extend the term of the house for another 6 months, now we leave it to the wisdom of the new executive committee to take a call on the issue of scheduled tribe or on the issue of contesting election both by tribal and non-tribal.
By extending the house to favor the NPP.
I think right now we don't talk about NPP or any other political parties. We are talking about the agenda, the boiling issue, the boiling agenda, which is expressed by the people of Garo Hills. There is no such political agenda, especially from the NPP side, from the ruling side. We don't have any political agenda at all. But we would like to make sure that the aspiration of the people is met at any cost.